Welcome, today I am with Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q and I want to show you how you can perform the reset of this monitor. So at the first you have to go under this LED indicator and click on this button. Next, go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down, go for the reset all, click on the button to confirm. Now just wait a little bit. It will take a few seconds. Okay, and as you can see right now, the reset is complete. All the settings were restored to the defaults. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.